Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Trust Wallet to Treasure NFT Solana. First, open your Trust Wallet application and ensure you have Solana (SOL) tokens available for any transaction fees. Next, navigate to the D app browser within Trust Wallet. You will then proceed to the Treasure NFT platform to initiate the connection process. This initial setup is crucial for seamless interaction with Solana-based NFTs. Once you are on the Treasure NFT platform via your Trust Wallet's D app browser, look for the Connect Wallet button, usually found in the top right corner. Click this button, and a list of compatible wallets will appear. Choose Trust Wallet from this selection. This action will prompt a connection request within your Trust Wallet, which you will need to approve to proceed. After selecting Trust Wallet, a pop-up will appear in your Trust Wallet app asking for authorization. Carefully review the permissions requested by Treasure NFT. Ensure you understand what you are approving before proceeding. Once you are comfortable, tap Connect or Approve to finalize the link. You should then see a confirmation on the Treasure NFT platform indicating your wallet is successfully connected. With your Trust Wallet now connected, you can fully interact with your Solana NFTs on the Treasure NFT platform. You can view your collection, list items for sale, or even purchase new NFTs using your linked wallet. Remember to always double-check transaction details before confirming. Also, for other great deals and the link to those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, check the description below this video. They are truly worth it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.